Hi everybody. I just wanted to show you a little project that I put together. It was my dad's birthday on Friday, yeah. And I went ahead and put this together. I found this frame a Tuesday morning last week, and I did go ahead and say, ooh, this would be really cute to do a card every year, and then just flip the old card over. I made sure that I made this so that even with the flowers, it will flip over and you can put a new one on there. So this is my dad's birthday card for this year. And yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I got the little pocket watches from Tim Holtz, and I put another little kitty. And the reason I put this kitty on here is because it looks exactly like my dad's cat, and the cat loves my dad. I went ahead and typed out the word Daddy with the We Are Memory Keepers word punch. I love that tool and use it all the time. Anyway, yeah, I wanted to show that to you. And I also found these frames at Michael's. They are Tim Holtz Halloween frames. So, and then of course I put a little emblem here. Sorry guys. Try another one from Tim Holtz. My gosh, it's just not letting me film today. This is probably the 4th time I've tried filming, and they are right in the path of an airport. So it's dark in the house and it's loud outside. So anyway guys, thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.